Not really.
All right.
Not really. Okay, so welcome back to day 8, Monday. Happy Monday.
Happy Monday.
Happy Monday.
We need a glass of wine today.
We have a case of the Mondays. No,
Yes.
so we are on day number 8. Yesterday was our Zinfandel from California. What do you think it's going to be today?
White.
White?
I don't know.
What?
I'm thinking rosé.
You've been thinking rosé every day since day 2. So that would be pretty cool if it was a rosé for you to get that out of the way so you can stop guessing rosé.
It's going to be a white, but I don't really know what kind of white. So I'm thinking rosé.
Okay. Well,
what do you think it's going to be?
I'm going to say, damn, this is hard now because we've had
a white sangria, we've had
a Zinfandel,
we've had blend,
Sauvignon Blanc. Well, so what I was going to say is we've had whites from New Zealand, we've had a red from Australia, we've had some French wines
in California.
So
okay, maybe something.
So I'm going to say it's going to be white.
Oh, we didn't do Greece yet.
Do they have one?
Yeah, it shows Greece on there.
Yeah.
I'm going to change my answer from rosé to Greek white wine.
Greek white?
Yeah.
Oh, damn. I'm going to say a white from South America. There's a lot of different countries down there. So
I'm really curious to see what Japan's going to be.
If it's even in there.
I would hope so.
I would hope so too.
Okay.
All right, white from
Greece.
South America for me.
From
Greece?
Yeah, Greece
Okay.
for me.
Beautiful.
Cool. Let's get into it.
All right, I'll let you open it up.
All right.
Do the honors.
Yes. All right, day number 8. These things are hard to open. I can't see it. You're seeing it first. Ooh, okay. It's a Chardonnay from France. We were both wrong.
Okay, so
Interesting. We were both wrong.
we're both very wrong.
Very wrong.
Unless it's like French heavy in this Advent box. Advent calendar is like, this is like the 3rd or 4th French, I think. So, anyways.
We should have a list going, but anyways.
Maybe we'll make a list. All right.
So
What is this called? The Conductor. Chardonnay from Pays d'Oak.
I think this is going to be a buttery Chardonnay.
Really?
Yeah.
You know what I think it's going to be? A warm Chardonnay, which is probably disgusting.
I think you're right. Either way, it's going to be warm. It's going to be room temperature, and it probably is going to be unenjoyable.
No, it'll be enjoyable. It's still wine, right? It's Monday and it's wine.
Yeah, I guess.
I know. Didn't struggle that hard.
Pepa.
Yeah, the foil is not that great. So again, I'm looking at this cork.
Uh-oh. What?
I don't know. We'll see.
Looks weird?
Yeah, it doesn't look great.
Let me see.
Show you in a sec.
Oh. Moldy again?
No, it just has a line on it, like it might have cracked. I don't know.
Oh.
Moldy cork? Ooh, was that bad?
Moldy?
I don't know if it's. I don't think it's moldy. I think it's just maybe. I don't know.
Let me see.
Just discolored. The cork is discolored.
Yeah, it's fine.
All right. So we have our Conductor. The Conductor.
So we have been just like doing a little taste, and then I feel like we put the bottle in the fridge.
Especially for the whites.
We want to taste it both ways, but we also don't want to compromise the Advent calendar, like opening the bottle and like seeing what's in there before we actually open it.
Right.
To chill it.
Right.
And I can't fit the whole box in the fridge, so that's not a thing.
I did like the Sauvignon Blanc.
Yeah, that was really good.
Like good, it was actually good room temp, and it was good cold.
Yeah.
So I definitely.
I feel like if you like it room temp, that's a pretty good indication that
Yeah.
you're gonna like it cold.
Right.
Yeah.
All right. So.
All right. So first problem I see is you poured yourself more than me.
Hard to judge with a small
Just
bottle.
kidding.
What do you smell?
Freshly pollinated honeysuckle flowers.
Jeez.
I smell floral. I smell.
I don't think it's gonna be as oaky as. I don't think it's gonna be oaky.
I do.
I think it's.
I smell like a creme brulee finish.
Do you?
Like yeah. Like a.
I smell sugar, but I feel
Yeah.
like it's like peach again.
Oh. Okay.
I feel like peach again, like stone fruit again. That's what I'm picking up. Sugar, but stone fruit. I don't know
Not
if it's gonna be
freshly
oaky.
pollinated. Freshly pollinated peach blossoms, maybe.
Maybe.
Stone fruit blossoms.
I don't know if it's gonna be oaky or not. All right.
I think it's gonna be oaky.
Let's try.
That's my.
Cheers.
Cheers. I don't think it's oaky.
It's buttery.
Yes.
It is
This
buttery.
is a good example of it being buttery but not oaky. Because it still has salinity
I was gonna say,
to it.
I taste like salinity is a good word.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, I like that.
Mm-hmm. It's like
It's
tart.
butter.
Yeah.
But like a little citrusy, like tart.
Yeah. I like it.
It's actually interesting, to be honest with you, because I think of like buttery and oaky together,
Mm-hmm.
and I don't care for the oaky.
I don't either. Yeah.
I don't mind buttery, but if it's too buttery, like Bauer Chardonnay is the most. It's like drinking a glass of butter.
Yeah.
And I love butter. I just don't like drinking.
It's hard to describe a
Yeah.
buttery flavor, but yeah, like
Yeah.
buttered croissants, buttered toast, like rich kind of.
Yeah.
This has a lot of like lighter notes to it, I feel like.
I still smell fruit though, like
Mhm.
after. So after you taste it and then you smell it again, you should be able to like pick up even more. I don't know.
I actually like it. I like that.
We've liked every wine in this box except day 2 for the most part, which is actually pretty cool to find something that.
That is, yeah. You really didn't care for day 2, but like I mentioned in that video, I feel like people who do like a semi-sweet wine would enjoy that wine.
Right.
So
Well,
just
yeah,
because
okay.
it's not our like cup of tea, like, and I was really expecting to dislike this wine, but I
Me
think
too.
it's good.
I see Chardonnays. I said
Yeah,
what
I'm
was
turned
it?
off by Chardonnays.
Yesterday or 2 days ago, I said I'm waiting to be proved wrong about a Chardonnay in this box. So if there's one that could change my thought. Now, I don't mind this as much as I thought I
I think
would.
it's good.
Maybe I have this like fear of like this big oaky buttery Chardonnay that it turns me off to like drinking.
So I don't know if this correlates, but I do like a white Burgundy. I don't think you've ever tried one.
Probably not. I don't think so.
And I believe a white Burgundy is primarily Chardonnay from France.
Okay.
Which is interesting because that would make sense why I do like that. So white Burgundy is a dry white wine from Burgundy region of France, primarily made from the Chardonnay grape, known for its balance, complexity, and range of styles, which are defined by a specific terroir and the winemaker's choices, varying from crisp to mineral-driven, creamy, and rich.
Right.
Yeah, so this tastes like a white Burgundy.
Really?
Burgundy to me.
Okay.
Which
So I might really
should I
enjoy a
read the
white
back?
Burgundy. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. This Chardonnay from Pays d'Oc presents a captivating array of flavors, vibrant lemon, ripe apple, and delicate floral undertones. Okay. The wine culminates in a rich, creamy, textured finish, adding depth, smoothness, and overall tasting experience. Yeah.
I wonder how this would taste like cold, honestly.
I think it would be really good. I'm impressed by this wine.
Yeah. And
For it being a Chardonnay, I immediately thought to myself, I'm not going to like that, but I do like it.
and it's a 23. 2023.
Interesting.
Okay, so
Okay, so we're going to do the same paper test, I feel.
yeah.
Want another sippy. I like this wine.
I do too. It's interesting because when I smell it and I taste it, and what I think is like pear or peach,
Mm-hmm.
it's apple.
Really?
So now that
I
you-
don't taste apple.
But now that you read
it's
that,
creamier than an apple.
right? But I think that's like the buttery finish on it. I think that is like as soon as you said apple, I'm like, okay, that makes sense. I'm smelling apple. I taste apple.
Yeah,
in
but
my mouth.
usually when you read something, your brain is accepting that suggestion.
Right. But I'm
And
smelling.
you're like relating it to what you think you're tasting, but it doesn't necessarily mean that's right.
Okay. Well, we're gonna go with our trusty
paper.
Oh, I really have to actually think about this for a Chardonnay.
Okay, yeah.
Is there a pen for me?
Just in our every day-to-day, I would drink this.
Yeah. Oh, this pen. Sorry, I like this pen.
In our day-to-day, I would drink this. Okay. Are we only doing 0.5 increments?
Yeah, there's no like 0.18, no, just only 0.5.
Okay. Okay. We show the camera first.
Okay.
Right.
Ready?
Hopefully they can see it. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
Ooh.
damn.
That's low.
That's the highest scoring. No, I thought that's good. My rating system is different than I guess everybody else's rating system. Like I said the other day, if you're doing 7 or more, you're like in a good spot.
I am impressed with this wine.
Yeah. No. Well, I feel like I like red wine. I don't mind drinking white wine. I like red wine though. I feel like you have very specific, oh, I like this white. I like this varietal of white. I'm very like, I kind of go with the flow with the white because I think it's crisp. I do enjoy a refreshing wine.
Mm-hmm.
And I think a lot of white wine is refreshing depending on how you're drinking it or what you're drinking it with.
Like, I prefer this over Rombauer.
Oh, 100%.
And Rombauer is like a really expensive wine.
Right, no, I don't.
And
But
high end.
I don't like Rombauer at all. I don't think they're even
So
similar.
that's why I rated it high.
I feel like Rombauer's oaky though. I don't have any flavor, like I don't think it tastes very similar. So so I rated it a 7 because I think it's very good. I think I would like to try it cold.
Mm-hmm.
And I think once I try it cold, that score would probably go up. But
yeah,
like,
you gotta rate it like.
yeah, I'm rating it.
I mean, we're not gonna come back tomorrow and change our score.
No, but I can talk about it. Be like, oh, hey, I thought it was even better cold, or it didn't change my thought. Like, I like what's in my mouth here.
Yeah, I like the mouthfeel. It's good.
So yeah,
I'm impressed by this.
It's lingering. Like
this is my favorite white wine
so
that
far.
we've had so far.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Even more than the Sheep Station?
Yeah.
Okay.
I feel like that could read very like clawing and acidic.
Sure.
This is a little bit smoother.
So we're gonna put this in the fridge now. We're gonna chill it down so we can try it cold, and we will report back again tomorrow about what we think about our cold white wine rather than our room temperature white wine. So
I think that my score is gonna stay exactly the same, whether it's room temperature or white.
And you like it that much? Whether it's room temperature or white, it does not change in the refrigerator. So.
No, I really like this. I think my score is going to stay the same whether it's cold or room temperature. So I think yours is going to go up.
Probably. Maybe. We'll see.
All
right, we'll see everybody back here tomorrow for red wine from South America. I'm pretty fixed on this South American red wine.
I agree with you. I say a red wine from Argentina.
I'm going to say Chile.
There you go. Yeah, I could agree with that.
All right, red wine from Chile tomorrow.
Nice. I'm so glad we found this Chardonnay that we like.
Yeah, this is cool.
It's kind of cool, yeah.
So this
might open our realm to trying different Chardonnays.
Absolutely. I would actually buy this for someone. I think I like it that much where I would buy it for somebody. So
agreed. Gift-wortday wine.
So we will see everybody tomorrow for day
9?
Yeah, day 9.
What day are we on?
Who's paying attention? What day are we on?
What day is it?
Okay, sorry. What day? How about wine number
9?
Okay, there you go.
Wine number 9.
Yeah, wine number 9.
Yeah. Right.
Cool. Happy Monday, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow, Tuesday, for our 9th bottle of wine here. Hopefully it's a red one from Chile.
I think we're right. I feel that in my...
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Red wine from Argentina.
Okay.
South America.
Okay.
Nice.
See you tomorrow.
Cheers.
Bye.
I have nothing left.
Oh, okay.
You have 1 sip left.